Welcome to Ragusa and Ragusa Ibla. You see the old part of Ragusa behind. It's called Ragusa Ibla. I have to put my sunglasses on because my eyes get so watery with the strong Sicilian sun. So I'm sorry about that. This is the area where I lived the first years when I came to Sicily after seeing Commissarie Montalbano. So it's his fault I'm here. I already told him so. And I lived here about 3.5, 4 years, and I'm happy I started here in this area because it's also known as the Germany of Sicily. It's more organized, it's a little bit more clean, and people wear seat belts in the cars and helmets when they drive the motorino, those small things. And it's a little bit more calmer area, always been protected a little bit more, not being damaged so much about historical mafia things. And it's a Baroque city, as you can see a little bit, and we're going down there to explore it more. So welcome to this little daily journey. We have come to the final destination, Ragusa Ibla, with a famous church and the busy street. There's always a little bit of buzz in this area. It's amazing how this area has developed because 13 years ago there was nothing here. A couple of restaurants and a couple of bars and shops, but it didn't look at all like this. It was very much abandoned. The streets were not done as they are now. And you were lucky to meet like 10 people here. There were no buses going here, so I'm really impressed of the work they have done here in so short time. And people are really friendly, and yeah, it's a really nice place. Ragusa Ibla is one of the most beautiful places in Sicily.